Ankr coin holders, my friends, unbelievable changes occurring in the Ankr coin. In this video I'm going to show you about the Ankr coin, what is going on in this time in the Ankr coin, my friends. Absolutely the unbelievable changes occurring in the Ankr coin. You can see here that now the changes of the Ankr coin is going good in the July month. You know what, my friends, in the previous June month the price of Ankr coin is completely down, but now in the July, my friends, everything is going good, everything will be okay in the July. That's just the beginning of the July month, my friends. So be patient, be wait for the huge pump of the Ankr coin. And my friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates and news videos. So now this time the latest update of the Ankr coin 0.073789 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Ankr coin. Furthermore, you can see that the last 1 hour, last 1 week changes occurring in the Ankr coin is positive, and the last 1 day changes of the Ankr coin is negative. Absolutely the changes is going good. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my goodness, once again, my friends, the Ankr coin started jumping. So my friends, it's time of Ankr coin holders. Very congratulations to all Ankr coin holders, my friends. Absolutely, it is time the Ankr coin taking a huge pump, and it's really a great news for all of you, my friends. So tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about the Ankr coin? What is your expression? Share in the comment box, and also subscribe our channel for more updates and news videos.